All right, let's talk about the single biggest thing that separates profitable traders from, well, everyone else. And here's the hint. It has nothing to do with complicated indicators or some secret formula. It's all about mastering the mental game. So let's dive in. We all start out by staring at charts, right? We learn the patterns, we try to get our technical skills just right. But the truth is, that's only half the battle. The real challenge, the thing that truly determines if you're going to make it or not, happens right between your ears. So let's be totally clear right from the start. The market is not your enemy. Your own emotions are. The real battlefield is your own mind. And in that fight, your absolute greatest weapon is self-trust. Seriously, without it, even the most perfect trading setup in the world is completely useless.
So, what does self-trust even mean when it comes to trading? Well, it's not about being arrogant or reckless. Not at all. It's more of a quiet confidence. It's that firm belief that you've actually done the homework, that you've analyzed the charts correctly, and that you made your rules for a really good reason. It's having the conviction to just see it through.
Because, think about it, when that trust is missing, doubt just creeps right in. You start to second-guess your entry, and that tiny bit of hesitation, even for a second, can feel like an eternity in the market. You either miss the trade completely, or you get in late and turn what could have been a great trade into a loser. So, what's fueling all this doubt? Well, it usually comes down to two incredibly powerful emotions that every single trader has to face: fear and greed. These two are the main culprits that are always threatening to just completely derail your carefully laid out plans. Fear, it's like this little whisper in your ear, right? It's telling you to stay safe, stay on the sidelines, avoid any risk. And that usually leads to a whole lot of missed opportunities and regret. Greed, on the other hand, oh, that's a loud shout. It's pushing you to take on way too much risk or chase trades, which, let's be honest, almost always leads to disaster. And here's the bottom line. It doesn't matter if it's fear or greed driving the bus. The moment you make a decision based on emotion, you've just thrown your trading system out the window. And a system that you don't actually follow, well, it's worthless, isn't it? Okay, so we've identified the enemy. Fear, doubt, all that stuff. So how do we actually fight back? How do we build that unshakable belief in our strategy and, more importantly, in ourselves? Let's get into it. This is maybe the biggest source of doubt for pretty much every trader. You take a loss and that little voice in your head starts up, right? You have no idea what you're doing, you're just gambling. It's such a powerful and destructive way to think. The answer to that question is just a firm, loud, resounding no, period. It's a belief you absolutely have to reject if you ever want to succeed at this. The trick here is to completely reframe what a loss actually is. It is not a judgment on you or your ability. It's just feedback. It's a piece of data. Every single trade, whether you win or lose, gives you information that helps you recognize patterns and actually make your skills stronger. So how do you actually turn those losses into useful data? Simple. You document everything. I mean everything. You need to journal every trade. Why you got in, why you got out, what you were thinking. Track your setups so you can see what's actually working. And then review your decisions without emotion. Just look at the facts. And this is where the magic really happens. Because when you do this consistently, you're not just hoping your strategy works anymore. You're building a mountain of evidence. You're creating objective proof that you have a real edge. And that proof, well, that's the foundation of genuine, rock-solid self-trust.
Okay, building that long-term belief is absolutely crucial. But what about in the heat of the moment? What do you do when a trade is on, the market's going wild, and you can just feel that panic starting to set in? You need a toolkit for right now.
So here's a simple but really powerful ritual. First, just breathe. Take a few deep breaths to slow your heart rate down. Second, physically slow your body down. Maybe even step away from the screen for a minute. And third, visualize a past success. Think about a time you followed your plan perfectly. Remind yourself that you know how to do this. Now, why does something so simple actually work? Because it sets off this amazing positive chain reaction. Being calm brings you clarity. That clarity lets you stay disciplined, and discipline, well, that's the only way you're ever going to get consistency. So as we start to bring this all together, it's pretty clear that success in trading isn't about finding some kind of holy grail. It's about winning the mental game by building a process that you can actually trust. And it all starts with this fundamental belief in your own ability to learn, to adapt, and to execute your plan when it matters most. Next, you have to trust that all those countless hours you've spent backtesting, journaling, and studying have actually given you a genuine edge in the market.
And finally, you have to trust the system that you built. Your rules are there for a reason. They're there to protect you from your own worst impulses. Following them is absolutely everything.
This quote from our source material just perfectly sums up the whole idea. You can spot the absolute best technical setup, but if you don't have the conviction to execute it without hesitation, without flaw, it's meaningless.
So I'll just leave you with this one question. The charts will always give you setups. That's only half the battle. The real question is, when the moment comes, do you trust yourself enough to actually execute?